All right, guys. Good morning. This is Jason with the Tactical Data Desk. I am pretty confident we are live. Let's find out. I got the ES HUD up right now. A lot of amazing activity happening. All right, we are live. Okay, let's check out ES. SPX 0 DTE call wall 6600, put wall 6400. That has shifted down. We are at 6476 right now. 6476 had a pop down to this wall. This wall is holding right now. Vanna magnet 6459. Sell pressure is active at 6459. All right, check out NQ. All right, huge candle down. Touch that sell pressure, pop back up. Find the dashboards. Here we are. Massive call wall right here at 6400. Lots of negative GEX, negative 200. OPEX call wall 6400. Here's your net premium all over the place, headed down. Put wall at 6425 Foreman. Still 6400 is the biggest one. Lots of down activity. Okay. So I got Think or Swim here. I'm going to run through some individual tickers. Say what we'll do. We'll update. Let's update structural analysis here. I'm updating all the 0 DT tickers. Okay, file has been. Let's grab that file. Study. Let's create. Today's the 27th. All I do, take that study, paste it into Think or Swim, hit OK, hit apply. And because the prices sometimes are pretty wide, Think or Swim will automatically apply that as a percentage. Then let's check it out. Sometimes you got to do that more than a lot of limitations in Think or Swim because it's a closed loop system. Here's Apple. We got put wall at 250, call wall at 255, but the call wall is a lot bigger. See, we touched that and then bounced right on down, rejected quickly. Amazon. Put wall at 202.50. We're at 203. Make this. Mark these on your chart, the call walls and put walls. Put wall 202.50, trading at 203. AVGO if you like that. That low right there, 303. Low the put wall. Vanda magnet's above it. That's why. I don't know where that Vanda magnet is. GLD, gold's up. Had positive GEX here at 406. Put wall was above the call wall. That's pretty crazy on GLD. That's a crazy trading rate. IWM, 0 DTE call way all the way up to 252. Here we are at 246. Put wall at 245. Meta. Meta's been getting crushed lately. Lots of news activity with that. 0 DTE put walls above or above the call wall. There's a lot of calls have been a lot below it. So maybe some upside in Meta. MU, big update. Might be able to take out overnight high. I don't have that programmed in. Netflix. Call wall at 92. Vanna magnet at 93. Did I say call wall? I meant to say put wall. Nvidia. Put wall at 170. Palantir, fan favorite. 143. Put wall 146. Vanna magnet 146. Tesla. Below that put wall at 365. Some positive volume. All right. Big day. Futures are looking up. Come back to the hey. Good. Great day to trade. Sorry about that. I had to move screens. How the heck? All right. Okay, so if you just joined the live chat, this is Jason with the Tactical Data Desk. I bring you this live GEX dashboard for free every day. It shows the GEX regime, the VEX regime, ES spot price, NQ, ES spot price, SPX spot price. That delta today was 44, so it's going down by about 3 points every day as we march towards that June expiration. Your active magnet right now is 64.25. Ball trigger 6400. You can see we hit that magnet second 5-minute candle after open and bounced above it. This is the open price right here. We'll see what happens when we get to it. Right. Do a quick check on NQ. Still in negative GEX regime here. This is the 200 call wall 20. This is the NQ futures adjusted call wall based on the NDX. That spot price, I think the difference was 167 today, I think. I already programmed it in. So active magnets, the buy pressure at 23.55. We're at 23.64, so we're above that right now. Let's check out the. So we got a wall forming here at 6,500 put wall. So that means institutions are buying puts at 6,500. Market makers are selling them. That's been growing since the open. This has grown significantly since the open, 6,400. That was at negative 20 million at the open. Now it's at negative 35 million at the open. You can see the call premiums gotten crushed. Now it's negative. Check the other dashboard. You can see the GEX exposure open negative and has been negative. You can see that based on my bots analysis is that might break some call walls. That is driven off my SPX flow engine here. I am real time tracking every options trade on 0DTEs that is hitting the tape for SPX. And then it's particularly monitoring every options trade at the three biggest put walls, which are this one, 64, 64.25, and then 64.20. So it takes the top three, or the bottom three, the three biggest with the negative values and the three biggest with the positive values, monitors the trades at those, and makes a decision of what's happening, what market makers are doing in response to those. So we did here. Let's flip back. Yep, big candle down. 5 minute. We did kind of go back to open and then get crushed back down. So you can see the sell pressure is the active magnet now, and that's why we're headed back down. There we go. Huge day. Oh, Ali 3030 says Marine Corps here. Hey, thanks for serving. He created a Vanda magnet for his NT8 as well. Hey, that's awesome, Ali. I don't know if you can share pictures in this chat, but if you can share a picture, we'd love to see it. That's fantastic. Okay. All right, guys. Well, I'm about to turn the camera off. I gotta get to work, do some work upstairs, and start my other job. But I'll leave this dashboard up, and I'll be monitoring the chat when I can. I'll talk to you guys soon. Ali, thanks for joining. It's good to see you. Leo DS6, good to see you too, man. Good morning back at you. Hope you guys are having a great day so far. Happy Friday. That's the most important thing, right? All right, I'll talk to you guys soon. I'll be back in a little bit. I'm glad you found the channel too, Ali. You're the man. All right, I'll be back in a little bit. Enjoy watching this. Hey, real quick, let me show you guys something I've built. This is a indicator and trading system I built. It's called the overnight balance. Gives you the bias of what's happened overnight. Gives you the final night cumulative volume delta that goes from 3 a.m. to 9:30. It locks, and then the cumulative volume delta to real time. Then it tells you what to do. Tells you what trade to make. If you follow the trade guidelines, they're pretty profitable. So today it said wait till 9:35, trade the first 1 minute candle that closes outside the 5 minute range. So that's what I did. And right now I'm in profit of about 437. Yesterday, this system was incredible. Since I work full time, I don't let it go forever. I place a stop and I'm happy with a couple $100. But I watched this and it literally, I built this code specifically for NinjaTrader, and it's pretty unique. It has AI in it, and it literally watches every candle. It watches the order flow, volume delta. It watches a whole bunch of stuff, and it doesn't just measure things. It uses a brain to think about each and every candle, each and every 1 minute candle, and then gives me a specific trade to exercise. And so I'm also working on a automated trading strategy for this specific indicator, this specific system. So whatever it tells you to do, that the automated trading strategy will then execute that. So I'm working on that, and that's going to be part of my suite of tools that I'll be offering as well. Okay, so I just wanted to show you that real quick. Hope you enjoy.